Welcome to the deep blue, a world beneath the waves that teems with life, color, and mystery. Today, we're diving into the art and science of filming underwater, where every shot is a blend of technical skill, creative vision, and a deep respect for the ocean's inhabitants. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, join us as we explore the secrets to capturing the underwater world through your lens. Before you dive in, let's talk gear. The right equipment is crucial for underwater filming. You'll need a camera that can withstand the pressure, a housing to protect it, and the right kind of lighting to bring out the vibrant colors of the ocean. But it's not just about having the best tools, it's about knowing how to use them. Choosing the right settings on your camera can make or break your underwater footage. Remember, water absorbs colors like red and orange first, leaving your shots looking blue or green. Manual white balance is your best friend here, helping you bring back those lost colors. Now that your gear is set, it's time to focus on technique. Filming underwater is like performing a dance where buoyancy control, patience and positioning are key. Master the art of moving smoothly through the water to avoid stirring up sediment and scaring away your subjects. Experiment with angles and perspectives. A wide-angle lens can capture the grandeur of underwater landscapes, while macro lenses are perfect for the tiny, hidden details. And don't forget about lighting. Natural light works wonders for shallow dives. But for deeper adventures, artificial lights are essential to reveal the true colors of the deep. As filmmakers, we have the power to tell the ocean story, but with great power comes great responsibility. It's crucial to minimize our impact on these delicate ecosystems. Avoid touching or disturbing the wildlife and always follow local guidelines and regulations. Respectful interaction with marine life not only protects the ocean, but also results in more natural and compelling footage. Remember, we're visitors in their world. Filming underwater opens up a whole new world of storytelling possibilities. It challenges us, inspires us, and reminds us of the beauty and fragility of our oceans. So take the plunge, explore with curiosity, and share the wonders of the underwater world with the world above. The ocean is waiting.